king. I got 48 in my teacher's eyes. In the mouth, it was lovely.
This was me, Brian Butterfield, 6 months ago before dying. But just look at my butt. Saturday is Saturday day. You can literally eat my dick. Water, pudding, ice cubes and ice cubes and ice cubes and ice cubes, artificial sweets, birthday pork pie, pints of crap. Fuck you,
teacher. What's it got to do with state? Break my teacher. What's it got to do with so shit? No! It's my teachers come in your school.
A smorgasbord of suck. That is an absolutely perfect fact. That's.
Are you who you are? Are you Hudded bite my dick. Shrunken cods, crunching ducks. Just put it to your lips and blow. Do you like YouTube? Upside down, Susan.
Mum says, fuck you, gay ass, and I
don't even know. Maybe some tennis kind of game. Tennis.
And that's not all. That's all.